This might be the most spacious apartment I've ever seen on the Upper East Side. And it's those two things that determine the price for this apartment, the location and the size. So it's a 3-bed with a flexible room near the living room, so it could be converted into a 4-bed or a 3-bed with a home office. The finishes are really nice, but they're not like $40 million condo nice. They're just really clean, really high-end, and really nice, but nothing crazy. It's not located in this high-rise building with crazy amenities with like a 200,000 square foot amenity space. It's a small doorman building, really elegant on the Upper East Side. And it's a rental. So to me, this is like real money. This is being rented by a family who says, hey, we need another couple years until we figure out exactly which luxury building we want to buy our apartment in. So until then, we're just going to rent a really spacious apartment in a really great location with a nice doorman building. And we're going to drop $25,000 a month. The kitchen's really nice with high-end appliances. You have a built-in fireplace, you have a dishwasher, spacious bedrooms, and spacious bathrooms.